Have you ever wondered if an attractive woman might be interested in you? It's a common dilemma, and the key lies in keen observation and subtle cues. Before we begin, please like this video to help me spread the Stoic philosophy. If you're not subscribed, I recommend subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss any videos. If you like the topic, comment 1. If not, comment 0 so I can make better videos for you. Now let's begin. Many men, around 95%, overlook the importance of providing support and affection. If you already understand this, thank you. However, it's crucial to know what you're seeking, which often eludes many. Girls have a remarkable ability to convey their interests through nuanced signals and visual cues when they are drawn to someone. By learning to recognize these signs, you gain a considerable advantage that most men lack. It's like having a secret weapon in romantic pursuits. Through attentive observation, you can decipher subtle cues indicating a girl's interest, such as a lingering gaze, a playful touch, or a genuine smile. These seemingly innocent actions often hold deeper meaning and provide insight into her feelings. Understanding what to look for helps you navigate romantic interactions with confidence and finesse. It enhances your chances of success and fosters deeper connections and mutual understanding. Remember the power of observation when you find yourself captivated by an attractive woman. Pay attention to the subtle cues she may be sending your way, and you might uncover a world of hidden attraction. Before decoding subtle signs of interest from women, it's imperative to understand that women generally don't take the initiative in romantic pursuits. I missed opportunities and felt confused in my younger years due to this. I recall occasions when my friends and I were with new acquaintances who showed unmistakable signs of interest, yet I was unsure how to interpret them, leaving me hesitant to act. It's crucial to understand that signals remain ineffective without corresponding actions. Upon noticing signals from women, men must take the initiative and make the first move. This proactive approach demonstrates confidence and paves the way for genuine interaction and potential relationships to flourish. If you're still watching and find these lessons useful, please comment 1 below to let me know you're still with me. If you find yourself in a situation where women are sending signals of interest, don't hesitate to seize the moment and take action. Whether it's striking up a conversation, offering a compliment, or asking for her number, taking that first step is often the catalyst for meaningful connections to blossom. One subtle yet often overlooked signal that speaks volumes in romantic interaction is when a girl lowers her chin while looking at you, accompanied by a warm smile. This gesture, reminiscent of scenes in movies or cartoons where female characters tilt their chin downward and cast a coy glance upwards, is far from mere coincidence. Rather, it serves as a nuanced display of submission, subtly inviting the recipient to take the lead in pursuing a connection. When a girl adopts this posture, she's conveying a message akin to, "Hey, pick me." It's a powerful indication of her interest and receptiveness to engagement. This act of yielding initiates a delicate dance of attraction, where the thrill of pursuit intertwines with the exhilaration of being pursued, fueling mutual interest. This flirtatious exchange of signals forms the essence of attraction, laying the groundwork for meaningful connections. By interpreting this subtle cue correctly, guys can seize the opportunity to step forward and initiate interaction, setting the stage for genuine rapport to develop. There are many other subtle ways in which girls manifest their inclination towards submission. They may consciously take up less physical space, drawing themselves inward in a gesture of vulnerability and openness. Similarly, pressing their hands and legs against their body conveys a sense of comfort and intimacy, inviting the other party to reciprocate. Affection can take many forms, from fondling a necklace or twirling hair to gentle touches or lingering glances. These actions indicate a woman's growing interest and attraction towards someone. If you're still watching and find these lessons useful, please comment 2 below to let me know you're still with me. You might notice her fingers tracing a pendant or playing with her hair while talking. These seemingly innocuous gestures carry deeper meaning, signifying her desire to connect and perhaps subtly inviting further interaction. Be attentive to these cues as they provide insight into her feelings and intentions. By recognizing and reciprocating her displays of affection, you validate her interest and foster mutual connection and understanding. If a woman shows you gestures of affection, don't overlook their significance. Take note and respond accordingly, as it could be the first step towards a meaningful connection and exploring romantic potential. Another subtle sign of a woman's interest is becoming more talkative in the presence of someone she finds attractive. This increased verbal engagement is linked to biochemical reactions in the body when stimulated by someone appealing. When a woman is with someone she likes, her brain releases dopamine, associated with happiness and pleasure. This surge prompts her to engage in conversation to prolong the interaction and deepen the connection. If a woman is talking to you more than usual, it's a clear indicator of her interest. Her increased verbal engagement is a subtle manifestation of her desire to connect with you and prolong the enjoyable interaction. Recognize and appreciate this subtle cue and respond accordingly to foster connection and mutual interest. If you find a woman chattier in your presence, consider it a positive sign and seize the opportunity for meaningful conversation. It could be the beginning of a promising connection. If you're still watching and find these lessons useful, please comment 3 below to let me know you're still with me. Another subtle sign of a woman's interest is exhibiting excessively feminine behavior around a guy she finds attractive. While easily missed if not attentively observed, it holds significant clues to her feelings. Excessively feminine behavior involves gentle gestures, softer speaking, and heightened delicacy and grace. These subtle shifts reflect her subconscious efforts to appeal to the object of her affection and convey her interest subtly yet palpably. Paying close attention to these nuanced cues gives you an advantage in deciphering her interest. Recognizing the subtle signs of her femininity provides insight into her feelings and intentions, allowing you to respond and deepen the connection. The key lies in attentiveness. By remaining observant and attuned to her behavior, you can discern these subtle signals and approach her with confidence. Embracing these opportunities for interaction can pave the way for meaningful connections and romantic possibilities. One unmistakable sign of a woman's interest is her penchant for theatricality and dramatic expression. Rather than merely stating something, she imbues her actions with heightened drama, amplifying their impact and drawing attention to herself. This distinctive feminine style of expression is noticeable and often positively perceived. This theatrical behavior is a subtle yet significant indication of her interest and attraction. By infusing her interactions with drama and flair, she seeks to captivate the attention of those around her, particularly the object of her affection. This heightened display of emotion and expression manifests her desire to make a lasting impression and establish a deeper connection. To truly understand and appreciate this aspect of the female dynamic, one must spend time observing women interact with each other. By immersing oneself in social settings where multiple women are present and carefully observing their interactions, one can gain invaluable insights into the subtleties of their behavior and communication patterns. If you're still watching and find these lessons useful, please comment 3 below to let me know you're still with me. It's essential to note that this observation should ideally occur within group settings rather than in isolation. By witnessing how women interact with each other in a group dynamic, one can discern the nuances of their communication styles, including the use of theatricality and drama to convey interest and attraction. By immersing oneself in these social environments and keenly observing the interactions between women, one can develop a deeper understanding of the intricacies of the female game. Here is the passage rewritten in more concise and easy-to-understand language without changing the original meaning. This heightened awareness enables individuals to recognize and respond to the subtle cues and signals of interest exhibited by women, ultimately enhancing their ability to navigate romantic interactions with confidence and finesse. You might be wondering why recognizing these subtle signs of a woman's interest is so important. The significance lies in understanding that, as a general rule, women tend not to make the first move in romantic pursuits. Consequently, it becomes imperative for individuals to be adept at recognizing and interpreting these signals, as the onus often falls upon them to initiate and progress the interaction. By discerning these subtle cues of interest, individuals can take proactive steps to engage with women they find appealing. Whether it's initiating conversation, expressing interest, or making a move, being attuned to these signals empowers individuals to navigate romantic interactions with confidence and assertiveness. Moreover, by taking the initiative to respond to these signs of interest, individuals can potentially pave the way for meaningful connections to develop. By demonstrating interest and reciprocating in kind, they create an environment conducive to mutual exploration and connection, thereby increasing the likelihood of romantic success. Recognizing these signs is crucial because it allows individuals to overcome the traditional gender roles and societal expectations that often dictate romantic interactions. By embracing a proactive approach and responding to these signals with confidence, individuals can forge genuine connections and create opportunities for romantic fulfillment. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment 4 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. If a woman is interested in you or finds you attractive and you fail to acknowledge or respond appropriately to the signal she sends, she will likely swiftly move on and redirect her attention to someone else who does recognize and react to them. While it may appear unfair, this is simply the nature of romantic dynamics. Recognizing these subtle signs and promptly responding to them is crucial to avoid the common pitfalls that many men encounter and to seize opportunities as they present themselves. However, mere recognition and reaction are not sufficient on their own. In addition to responding to these signals, it's essential to take decisive action to capitalize on the interest expressed by the woman. This may involve initiating conversation, expressing your interest, or making a move to further the interaction. By being proactive and assertive in your approach, you increase the likelihood of fostering a genuine connection and progressing towards a meaningful relationship. Ultimately, navigating the intricacies of romantic interactions requires more than just recognizing signals. It necessitates confidence, assertiveness, and a willingness to take calculated risks. By combining awareness of subtle cues with proactive engagement, you can position yourself to make the most of romantic opportunities and cultivate fulfilling connections with others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content. Together, let's continue to unravel the mysteries of seduction and navigate the complexities of human connection. Thank you for watching, and see you again.